Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mackie. The purpose really of this channel is to document my journey in trading. I started trading 3 years ago. Simply, I started with cryptocurrency trading, and then since last year, actually, I started, you know, trading more into the future. And since then, I got hooked and I really enjoyed it. So in this video, I just would like to doing a little bit of deep dive into my trading strategy in one of my, I guess, successful trading that I took in gold future. And I would like to break down the chart and explain how, how you can use the technical indicator to make informed trading decision. So let's get started. So as you guys see here, I have the 5 minute chart of gold future. And as you can see, I have, several key indicators. I'm using also support and resistance analysis. Everyone is different really when it comes to trading style. There is no right or wrong one. Just use whatever you feel comfortable with. But, you know, everyone is different at the end of the day, and when it really works for you, just go ahead and do it. And don't make certain assumptions based on. I mean, what I'm trying to say, like, there's no 100% guaranteed or successful strategy. Just try to see what really fits for you. But since I'm talking about my strategy, I will just go over mine. So as you guys see here, I have the Bollinger Bands, which I really love it, and I will explain a little bit about it. And then I have the VWAP here, that's the dot line here. Along with that, I have the some pivot points. I have support resistance area. I draw myself, and then finally I have here the relative trend index, or something similar to the RSI, but more showing the overbought and oversold area. Um, okay, so as you guys see here, so we have the gold here, and as you guys see here, like first the Bollinger Bands. These bands, help us to identify the volatility and the overbought and oversold conditions. And the Bollinger Bands are set with 20 period moving average, as you guys see here, and two standard deviation, one on the upside and one the other in the downside. When the price really touch the upper band, it usually indicates the overbought condition, while if it touch the lower band, it's usually indicating the oversold condition. Important piece of all these trading strategy is the VWAP. And as you guys know, the VWAP is the volume weighted average price. And this indicator actually give us an idea about the average price, throughout the day. And it's usually really based on the volume. I really find it a great tool to identify the overall market trend, and it gives you an idea about the volume situation when it comes to trading. I noticed this more, I guess, useful in future in comparison to crypto, especially the VWAP. And then finally, I have here the relative trend index. And this indicator is give you an idea about the potential reversal points and give you an idea about the overbought and oversold area. A reading above 50, as you guys see here, it indicate a bullish trend, while a reading below 50, it usually indicating a bearish trend. And as you guys see here in my trend here, in my trade here, the RTI was below 50, which supporting the theory of my analysis for the market to be more bearish. Yeah. So since we know now a little bit about the indicators, let's talk a little bit about how to use them all together. So in this example that I'm trying to show you, the price was actually in the downtrend, trading below the VWAP, touching the lower Bollinger Bands, and when I see both of these two things, they give me a strong signal of bearish market. Additionally, when you guys see here, the RTI was actually below 50, which confirming the downtrend for me. So at this point, I always looking for shorting opportunities. When I see all the setup together, this is my bingo, my shorting time. So, and here's the potential trade setup may look like, as you guys see here. Once the price touch the upper Bollinger Band and start to reverse, you could start actually going into the short position. So I usually set my stop loss just above the upper Bollinger Band to manage my own risk. And it's important, guys. I mean, I don't know how much I should stress about the stop loss. It's important, risk management tool. And yeah, like, as the price approach this level, so you can exit your trade gradually, um, you know, and safely, of course. Um, yeah, and yeah, that's all actually. As you guys see here, you know, I made around from this trade alone, $900, just from this movement, and that was on Friday. Friday overnight actually. So it was really great trade. I was very happy. I usually like to trade on the 5 minute frame, uh, but I try to go from higher time frame to lower time frame analysis, as you guys know. But that's usually my style. Yeah, I hope this walkthrough was clear and simple. Yeah, if you have any question, please ask. And yeah, I mean, I would love really to document more into my journey in future, and hopefully one day we reach to the financial freedom. So that's all I have. Wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you next time.